Hi everyone, I'm your instructor Naeem Khan. This is my another C++ video where we will talk about switch statement in C++ language. So basically switch statement is used to handle multiple selection situation during decision making. So basically when we already created if statement in my previous videos where we define some conditions. If condition is true, so run this code, otherwise run that code. Okay, so like if, else if and else. So I already created that videos. Okay, so now in this video we will talk about switch statement. Switch statement basically same work, but you don't need to write if another if, like you have to type switch and then in between you have to type your condition as well, so it will work with properly. Okay, so now let's get started. So first of all I will create like a variable int, and I will type here like my variable name favorite number. Okay, so and then I will use cin functions for getting values from user and console application. So that's why I will use int. I'm declaring variable here. Okay, favorite number. So I will type here like enter your like favorite number. Okay, and then I will use cin function to catch value. For that I will use my variable name which I already declared here. Okay, after that I will write my switch statement. Okay, so basically you have to type switch parenthesis and curly bracket as well. Okay, so now here you have to type your variable name. Okay, like my this variable name, so I will copy this variable and paste it here. Okay, after that in switch statements you have to type different cases here. Okay, for example I will type like case, and then for example if user type 1 in your keyboard on your keyboard. Okay, so at that time you have to print out that message. Okay, so for example I will say like your one is your favorite number. Okay, and then I will use here break. Okay, so I will and also I will show you why we use break. Okay, so let me create another case. At this time I will use case 2. Okay, when somebody type 1, so this statement will be executed. Okay, if somebody type 2, so at that time this statement will be executed, which I am here typing 2 is your sorry 2 is your favorite number. Okay, and I will use break here, and then I will use case 3. Okay, and make sure you have to type colon here, not semicolon. Okay, and then I will use my another 3 is your favorite number. Okay, and then I will use break, and I'm defining 3 cases here. If I don't have more cases, and by the way your last message will be default. Okay, so you have to type default and then your message. Okay, so I'll type invalid number. Okay, and then save this file. Basically in this the program is basically depend on, basically user will type his favorite number, so it will print that message on console application. So for example I created a variable favorite number, enter your favorite number, this message will be appear on console application. User will type his favorite number, that favorite number will be stored in this favorite variable, and we are checking that numbers in switch statement. Okay, so I'll type that variable here, and I will say switch statement when user type 1 you have to print out this message. Okay, when user type 2, so you have to print out this message. But when user type 5, so there is no 5 case defined, so it will print out this message which is default. Okay, so when I will save this file and then click on build and run button, and now here you can see enter your favorite number. For example I want to say my favorite number is 2, and then enter. So now basically, now here you can see 2 is your favorite number. So basically it's printed this message, 2 is your favorite number, because I typed 2. So it will check cases here. Okay, for example, I will build again, and now here you can see I will type like, for example, 3. So now here you can see 3 is your favorite number. Okay, so basically I typed 3, so it will check where is 3. So there is 3, and it will print out that message. Okay, so basically when I will run this again, and I will type like 6 here. Okay, so now when I will hit enter, so it will say invalid number, because I just defined these 3 cases, not 4 or 5 or 6. Okay, so basically it will print out this default message as well. Okay, so that was quick tutorial how we can use switch statement. And now I will show you why we can use break statement. For example, I will remove this break here. Okay, so when I will save this file and I will run again this program, when I will type 1, so now here you can see it will print it 1 is your favorite number, and also it will print here 2 is your favorite number, because it will check here there is no break, it will goes down. Okay, so basically that's why you have to type break statement as well. Okay, so it will break here. Okay, so that was good tutorial how to work with switch statement. And in my other videos where we will talk about something like much more complicated programs, we will create much more complicated program using switch statement in my next video. Okay, so thanks for watching.